So 2013 MirraCo bike check so we have Tauga Powerband tire with a Sunringle NV rim and a Redline hub. I'm going to be changing that hub out to a black label within the next couple weeks. We have stock black label or MirraCo forks. I have no fucking idea which one they are. We have a Cane Creek detangler, black label stem with black label bars and a Vise brake lever and kink grips. We also have the black label peg. Now we have the Odyssey twisted metal pedals, black label cranks, and a black label golden sprocket with a KMC golden chain. We have black label stock brakes, brake pads, salt
pitch
mid tire with a stock rim. I'm going to be putting on the Sunringle NV rim pretty soon. I have a Vise seat with a black label seat post. We already covered the back wheel. Got another black label peg. And yeah.